In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add PDF file to Webflow. First, open your Webflow project in the designer. Make sure you're in the canvas view for the site where you want this feature. We'll be working right inside the interface you already use to build and tweak your pages. Next, head over to the Elements panel. This is the panel you use to add components like sections, buttons, and form inputs. Opening it now will let us quickly locate the option that enables file attachments so your visitors can provide a PDF. With the Elements panel open, use the search field at the top. Start typing to quickly filter what you need. This saves time scrolling and ensures you're selecting the exact element or setting the interface highlights for you. You should see the relevant option come into view as the interface calls it out. Click the highlighted result to proceed. If you're following along with on-screen prompts, keep selecting the highlighted areas as they guide you to the correct control. This guided path helps you land precisely where the file attachment capability lives, so you don't have to hunt through multiple menus. Continue clicking the highlighted prompts until you reach the setting that enables file uploads in your form. You're looking for the control that allows site visitors to attach files, perfect for letting people submit a resume, a screenshot, or in our case, a PDF. Once you're there, turn it on. Now customize the accepted file types. In the file settings, specify the types you want to allow. Add PDF to the list so visitors can upload .pdf documents. You can include other types, like .docx, if that fits your use case, but keeping it to PDF maintains consistency and prevents unsupported files. While you're here, consider adding a helpful label or helper text that tells visitors exactly what to upload and any size limits. That small touch reduces confusion and prevents failed submissions. When you've confirmed the upload option is enabled, and the accepted types include PDF, you're ready to make the change live. Click Publish. Choose the appropriate domain if prompted, and let Webflow push your updates. Publishing is essential. Without it, your changes remain in the designer, and your visitors won't see the new file attachment option. After publishing, visit the live page and test the form. Make sure you can select a PDF and that it behaves as expected. That's it.